Hello Virgo, welcome to my channel. So this is your weekly career, business and money reading from 14th to 20th December. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate Virgo, so keep whatever resonates. Now in this reading, you get to know what opportunities could present itself Virgo in this week in your career, business or money situation, or what challenges you could face if any, so that you can handle it better. So let's start Virgo. 3 shuffles. Angels and guides, spirits and guides, Virgo's general energy, from 14th to 20th, career, business and money situation. Virgo's general energy for career, business. Let's see more. Virgo's general energy in career, business or money situation. 5 of Cups, 3 of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Knight of Swords, 4 of Pentacles, 2 of Swords, Page of Swords, the Hanged Man. So Virgo, you are, with what I see here is that you are doing quality work, enhancing your skills, doing quality work. Your team is very cooperative with you. The people with whom you work, they are very cooperative. You are equally, reciprocating this. So you will be very cooperative, very loving, nurturing towards the people you work with. Teamwork is going to get you success here. Queen of Cups, Knight of Swords. So there is a certain new zeal or vitality or a fire in you. You want to take things forward in a fast manner. A lot of zest, that's what I get here. For some of you, there is an overseas travel, overseas travel regarding your job or business situation here. Some of you will be promoted, either you will be put in for a promotion, a salary hike, a raise. That's what also I get here. A step up position. You could be recommended or you could be getting a letter of affirmation, that yes, you are in for a promotion. So you will be really happy with that. So you will have spread yourself in different directions here, wanting success, financial success, so there is a lot of enthusiasm, there is a lot of energy, positive energy and enthusiasm in the way you have working, in the way you want to work, you will be working this week. Also I feel you will be very, wise in doing your investments, also using your money judiciously. Like you will not be into overspending mode, you will use your money very judiciously and save your resources. That's what I get here. For some of you, there may be a decision, 2 of Swords, you may be having a confusion over a decision to make here. 2 of Swords. So what I say is that do not make emotional decision. When this card comes up, it is like a head over heart decision. So make decision from your head and not from your heart. It's a professional situation or a personal life. You need to use logic and intelligence to make the decision, not the heart. Do not get impulsive, do not make emotional decisions here. With the Hanged Man, it seems that you will be thinking about your future, you will be planning your future, and there will be some out of box thinking also you will be doing. You have been thinking a certain way and now you will be more creative. You will be at your creative best, which will show in your work. That's what I see here. It will show in the quality of work that you do. So there will be a new creativity in you, using and there is lot of out of box thinking. Some of you will be making some small sacrifice also with the because you want a brighter future. You want looking at the bigger picture. So might be you might compromise on a family holiday, or this is for some of you here, or not attending some get together because of work. Friends, family can wait for the timing, and you will push forward yourself with work, with business, with money. That is travel. Already I told you travel is really going to be beneficial, especially the overseas travel will get you a lot of success. You will be recognized for your work, especially that work you have as a team. you have done. There is collaboration, associations happening here, negotiations, deal happening. You will be very good at negotiations here. Your bargaining skills will be at awesome. That's what I would say here. Getting very good deals for your company, or if you are self-employed, also you are going to get projects, deals for yourself with a very good bargaining skills. Yes, self-employed will also do well this week. That's what I want to say here, Virgo. But there will be at times that you will be feeling a little depressed over some missed opportunities here. Five of Cups, COVID time, so lot of missed opportunities, lot of losses happening. So it sometimes it might bother you. For some of you, this is not for everyone, so it might bother you, some of you here. So I see a very hectic week work-wise, but you are very enthusiastic about it. You do not shy away from hard work. With all the hard work, still you will be the Queen of Cups. You will handle all the work and be very calm and at ease and peace, and this will be felt by the people around you with whom you will work. You will be at your cooperative best, and also you will see that there will be immense satisfaction with the pace of work that is happening, because right now you just want to forge ahead, like Knight of Swords. Lot of communication coming, lot of work, communication, messages, meetings, seminars, webinars you will be attending, and making lot of contacts here, which will help you in the future. So very awesome week here. Let me just pull out an angel guidance card for you, Virgo. So angel guidance card for Virgo. I only see 3 of Pentacle card, 4 of. So definitely money coming to you from the investments that you made. If there is it could be a real estate deal coming through, or rentals coming, or leases, agreements. Money could come from farming, or as a team. I told you could be put up for a promotion. So that also, rise in status or rise in financial status. Both is coming to you here. So angel messages for Virgo. Angel guidance. Unicorn. So this is like invite serendipity. So you are unique, Virgo. That's what it's come. Unicorn is very unique. You're very original. So be yourself and it will get you great success. So this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much and stay blessed.